In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the Made in Framer badge from your site. This badge appears by default on free Framer sites, but there are several ways to get rid of it depending on your plan and setup. The official method is to upgrade to a paid plan, starting with the mini site plan or higher. Once you've upgraded, go to Project Settings, Branding, and toggle off the Made with Framer option. After that, click Publish to apply the changes, and the badge will be gone. Another simple way is to connect a custom domain to your site. When you link a custom domain and republish, the badge is automatically removed. If you're still on a free plan, you can use a CSS code override. In your code settings, target the badge element with display:"none!" important to hide it from view. Some advanced users have also experimented with applying a 3D effect to the SVG badge as a workaround to remove it visually. By following these steps, upgrading your plan, toggling branding, connecting a custom domain, or using a CSS override, you can create a more professional Framer site without the default attribution showing at the bottom.